guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my home. I have been waiting to film this video for what feels like forever. This is my Jewish home tour video. I'm so excited to share with you guys all the Jewish elements of my home and to share with you what a Jewish home looks like and what you can find in a Jewish home. So welcome, I'm so glad you're here and let's begin the tour. So welcome to my home. I'm so excited to show you guys around and show you all the Jewish things that I have all around. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian and I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. Just hit that red subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Okay, let's begin. So if you come down this hallway, we have our family calendar and my Jewish holiday calendar. This is a printable you can buy on Etsy. I think it's $6 and it's updated for 2022. So I just printed it out nicely and framed it and put it next to our family calendar that we draw on, write on things each week. And then it's just this nice outlook for the whole year. You can see like which holidays are when. So I sell that on Etsy, like I said. And yeah, okay, and then coming from that hallway, this is our kitchen, the hub of any Jewish home. I think I would say I've filmed like 80% of all my content in here, getting ready for Shabbat, prepping, cooking Jewish food, all that takes place here. So you guys have probably seen this room a whole bunch, but there's some Jewish items here underneath the microwave in the island. This is where I keep our challah covers. This one you guys have seen before. This is from an organization called Yad L'Kashish, and they give work to elderly and other folks in Israel. So they make all these beautiful Judaica items by hand. And then my mother-in-law made this challah cover by hand. She needle pointed it, and it's got me and my husband's initials on the back. So we got that for our wedding. And this is our challah board. This is from Annie Glass. So I keep all this stuff down here. So Friday night I just open this up and take out whatever I need. Okay, and then in this cabinet next to the stove, I keep candlesticks and Kiddush cups. So these are the candlesticks that were given to me by my mom, given to her by my grandmother. So those are very special. Up here is my husband's grandmother's candlesticks that we were given. And then here is our Kiddush cup. So each boy in our family has one. They're now engraved. I got that done just this past week with each of their initials. So that's Zachary's, Corey's, and then Max's. Max's is actually his grandfather who had the same initials. And then my husband Andrew has one. Those are his initials. And then I have one from my bat mitzvah back here that was given to me by my grandmother. I'm not sure if you can see the engraving on there. My grandma Hannah. And that's my bat mitzvah date. So, and then I just keep other like servingware in here, and up there are some vases and things like that that I decorate for Shabbat with. So in my kitchen, I love to bake challah, and I keep, well, baby locks, but these are magnetic baby locks. They're really cool, actually. I will link them down below, but I keep a challah baking drawer. So in here, I have flour and sugar and everything else I need. It's also just a regular baking drawer, but I love to bake challah, and I love that everything's just really nicely all together in one place, and then right next to my stand mixer as well. So that's the kitchen, and now let's head into the dining room. And then you come through the kitchen into our dining room, which I'm sure you guys have seen before from my Shabbat videos. And I'm sure you've seen this dog before. This is Rocky, our little Jewish dog. Anyways, this is where we have Shabbat dinners. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house. Initially, when we designed the dining room, I wanted it to be like a dark and cozy place. But because it connects through to the playroom, it kind of had to go in the same color scheme. Anyways, that's an aside. So here is our buffet. We had this in our last house, so if you watched that Jewish home tour, you will have seen this already. In the top, so there are a ton of Judaica and Shabbat items in here. This is our Siddur. This is another Siddur. This brand, Hazorfim, is Israeli. We have like what's it called, cake cutters and things in here. So this is all like the entertaining items. In this drawer we have kippot and bakol echads, which are little booklets. They're like a Siddur, but they have the Shabbos blessings in them and other little blessings and songs for the week. Then down here in this drawer, we have a bunch more Judaica items. We have our shofar, which we use on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. We have our Hanukkah. More candlesticks back there that we were given. These are my husband's grandmother's. They're so cool and funky. They're almost like, I don't know, I think of them as like 1980s. I don't know when she got them, but that's what I think of them as. These I got from my bat mitzvah. This my husband got from his grandparents. That we got when we got married. And then this, so like at Jewish preschool, sometimes our kids make things like this. This is a Kiddush cup. I don't know why I saved it. It's just so cute. Okay, then in this cabinet is mostly wine and stuff, but we have like Kiddush wine in here and other just entertaining things, but mostly it's alcohol. And then in this one, we have all our china for entertaining, and this is what we use for serving dishes on Shabbat. Okay, and then if we go up the stairs, this room is Max's, my oldest son. He's got a car-themed room. And in his closet, is this beautiful artwork with his Hebrew name, Micha, that my sister and brother-in-law got for him when he was born. So that is in his room. Okay, and if we walk out of his room, across the bathroom, we get into Corey's room. And in Corey's closet, randomly, is where I keep all our PJ Library books. I need to organize them a bit better, but I've mentioned PJ Library a ton on my channel. They will send you a free book each month if you're raising a Jewish child. Some of them are themed to the holidays, and some of them are just about Jewish values or Jewish stories. So every holiday I like bring out the ones relevant to the holiday and everything like that. So I just keep them in Corey's room, and he loves to read them too. So we have a big closet, but I know I need to organize it a bit better. And this is Zachary's room. I've done a whole room tour of this room. I'm not sure we have anything Jewish themed in here yet, but what we do have, and we have on every door, is a mezuzah. I might get him an updated one to match his room a little bit better, but on each of the bedroom doors you'll see a mezuzah. This one we made for Corey, and Max of course has a car themed one. Isn't that so cute? And actually inside you can see the scroll with the Hebrew words on this one. And then this is me and my husband's bedroom, and you can see our mezuzah. This one has glass from our wedding at the bottom. You know how you break the glass at the wedding ceremony? And then in our bedroom, which we have not, this is like the one room in the house we haven't done anything with, like we haven't really updated it or made it our own. But we have our ketubah here. So this is our wedding document from when we got married. You can see our signatures on it and the rabbi. And then this is a paper cutout. And at the top it says, Ani ledodi v'dodi li, which means I am my beloved and my beloved is mine. So that's here in our bedroom. Okay, and then from the playroom over here is my office, which I also film a lot in, so you guys have probably seen this room a bunch. It is a disaster zone right now. We are packing, I've got content I'm filming, photo albums I'm making, so this is just honestly how the room looks right now. But this is me, this is where I always film my content, right in here with this background. And back here there's a lot of Judaica items as well. Starting with this menorah or Hanukkah. Max made one Hanukkah. Ooh. I think it says, oh yeah, 2019 he made this one. So cute. And then we also have like Hanukkah handprints from the boys. This is by an artist in Israel. I will try and link them. That beautiful print, it's like a 3D print, I'm not sure if you can tell on the camera, of the Western Wall in Jerusalem. And then here we have our Hanukkah card from this past year. I love it so much. It was from the pictures from Zachary's newborn photo shoot. And then we have Zachary's menorah. He got this, or Hanukkah, from when he was born, from as a present from our friends, which was so sweet. This is Max's menorah that he made in preschool this year. So I just have a little bit of like Hanukkah stuff in here. This is another Hanukkah. This was from Judaic Web Store that they sent me. I did a giveaway with them this year. Disneyland stuff, albums, and then of course this is our Jewish wedding. So this is our invitation. You can see a little bit. It's in this like jewelry box, and there's some special items from our wedding in here. Up there is another menorah that we got for our wedding, and it's got our wedding date on there, and it did have our wedding glass. I actually need to get it replaced. More wedding pictures, our wedding album, more albums, more pictures. But yeah, so my office has a lot of special Judaic items in it. Oh, and look, a special little dog moved here again. So that is my Jewish home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did film a video just like this one in our old house a few years ago, so if you haven't seen that one, I'll link it below. You can see what's changed and what hasn't. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!